Hi guys, it's Gaz here on the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel. I'm here at Claycross Kawasaki in Chesterfield, Derbyshire in the UK. Firstly, I just want to say I have got cold at the minute, hence why I've not been putting many videos on in the last 2 or 3 weeks. I've just been recovering. So back to the bike, we've got a 2022 Kawasaki Z650 RS in metallic spark black. They do other colours, candy emerald green and metallic Mundus grey. It's like a retro style looking motorcycle. The engine is a 649cc liquid cooled 4-stroke parallel twin, double overhead cam, 8 valve. You've got a max power of 68 brake horsepower at 8000 rpm. You've got a max torque of 64 newton meters at 6700 rpm, and this is a Euro 5 engine. You've got a ground clearance, as I'm just showing you, at 125mm. Like I say, if I do sound a bit snotty, I do apologise. I didn't really want to wait any longer to bring you some more footage of some beautiful bikes. Get your badge, like I say, it's like a metallic black. You've got a wet weight of 187 kilograms on this bike. Just zoom in and show you of the metallic black. LED indicators, round LED headlight, your front suspension is a 41mm telescopic fork with a travel of 125mm. You've got 17-inch black aluminium cast wheels with Dunlop tyres. Your front brakes are ABS dual semi-floating discs with a size of 300mm, and then you've got Nissin dual piston calipers. You've got an overall length of 2065mm, a width of 800mm, and an overall height of 1115mm, and the seat height is 820mm, which I'll just show you the seat now. Like I say, it's 820, so it's not too small, not too high. Show you some detail on the seat. Like a suede look. We've got a petrol tank capacity of 12 litres, and this bike will do approximately 60 miles to the gallon, and approximately, depending on your ride, 150 miles to a tank. You've got analog style speedo and tacho with LCD, so it gives it that retro look. I just remind you, thanks for watching, and if you like motorcycles, I do all different brands, so be sure to subscribe to the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel. pleasure to have you on board. Just show you this rear suspension, which is a horizontal backlink suspension with adjustable preload. It's got a travel of 130mm. Just get in there a bit. Just show you underneath, that's where you release your seat with your key. Your rear brake is a single disc, and the size of the disc is 200mm with a single Nissin piston caliper, as you can see. Obviously ABS, you can see your ABS ring there. LED indicators, an LED rear tail light. Obviously chain driven. These wheels give it that sort of flat spoke retro look. It's same on the Z900 as well. Z650 RS badges on both sides. We've got a 6-speed gearbox with a wet multi-plate clutch. If you're interested in this Kawasaki Z650 RS 2022 model, be sure to contact Claycross Kawasaki in the UK. I'll put a link to their website in the description below. And the price on this bike is $7,649 on the road. I think there's a few extras you can add on there and bits like that, so I guess it's from $7,649. Like I say, it's been a pleasure to have you here to watch my video. Be kind enough to subscribe to the GAZWORLD motorcycle channel, and also to get the channel going, if you'd be kind enough to share it on social media, that'd be brilliant. Thanks for watching. I've been Gaz on the GAZWORLD channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.